Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Multi-Agent Systems, How They Work. Imagine multiple players in a game. Each player has its own goals and actions. How do these players interact? That's the essence of multi-agent systems. AI helps agents make decisions, learn from their interactions, and adapt to new situations. It's like giving a character in a game the ability to think for itself. In multi-agent systems, agents are intelligent entities that interact within an environment. Think of them as characters in a story with their own thoughts and actions. Agents need to communicate and coordinate their actions to achieve goals. It's like when you play a game where each player needs to know what the others are doing. There are different types of multi-agent systems, such as cooperative, where agents work together, and competitive, where agents compete. Multi-agent systems have practical applications in fields like robotics, economics, and game theory. They help create intelligent environments for complex interactions. Developing multi-agent systems is challenging due to the need for coordinated decision-making, scalability, and robustness to unexpected situations. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.